In fact, weathering and erosion are instrumental in forming the second type of rock. We call this type sedimentary rock. Water, wind, and ice are constantly at work, breaking down and transporting rock fragments. Oftentimes, vast quantities of eroded rock materials settle at the bottoms of streams, lakes, and river deltas. When a thick pile of fragments or sediment accumulates, the particles near the base of the pile become compacted by the weight of the overlying layers. Over long periods of time, these sediments are cemented together to form a solid rock, a sedimentary rock. This process of compacting and cementing is called lithification. We can frequently classify the various sedimentary rocks according to the grain size of their sediment. For example, a conglomerate rock is made up of relatively large pebbles or gravel, while sandstone is formed from extremely fine sand sediment. Sedimentary rocks account for only a small percentage of the Earth's crustal rocks. However, over 70% of the rocks exposed at the surface of the Earth, the top layer of the crust, are sedimentary. This is extremely important to geologists, as they can help answer many questions about our planet's past environment and its inhabitants. Sometimes remains of animals and plants that lived long ago can become trapped and are transformed within the layers of sedimentary rock. These are known as fossils. Geologists can use these fossils to determine what forms of life existed in the ancient past and reveal clues about their environment. They also indicate ancient land and water areas and show the changing continents. For example, this fossilized algae is part of the sedimentary rock shale. This fossil was found in the state of California in the United States and is dated to be 500 million years old. This specimen indicates that this life form came from a time when the area we know today as California was under the ocean waters. This fossilized shell is an extinct relative of the chambered nautilus. This fossil is from the Sahara Desert and is dated to be approximately 350 million years old. This specimen indicates that a part of northwestern Africa was covered by a warm, shallow sea. This specimen of the minnow fish family was found in the Green River shale cliffs of the state of Wyoming in the United States. Its complex internal skeleton is dated to be 50 million years old and belongs to a time when much of the land we know as the North American continent was above sea level. Over the millions of years of the history of life on this earth, very few organisms have been preserved as fossils. Most of the fossils discovered are those of the hard parts of organisms. Shells, bones, and teeth, as well as similar hard parts, are the most common fossils found in sedimentary rock.